If I lost everything today and had to start from absolute zero in 2026, no degree, no savings, no lucky connections, I wouldn't panic. Because after years of navigating this digital economy, I've realized that money isn't something you get, it's something you attract with the right skills. I'm skipping the fluff. This is the exact blueprint of what I'd do to rebuild a six-figure income from scratch, so you don't have to waste years guessing. Let's be real. The old path isn't just outdated, it's crumbling. The formula of going to school for a degree and a safe job is getting weaker every single year. But while the traditional world is struggling, there's a quiet group of people building incredible lives online. They aren't geniuses, and they aren't lucky. They just realized that in 2026, the market doesn't pay for your time anymore, it pays for your leverage. And you don't need anyone's permission to start. The first thing I'd master is copywriting. Every single business on earth needs sales to survive, and behind every sale is a sequence of words. Whether it's a landing page, a script, or a simple email, someone has to write the words that make people feel something enough to take action. Most people write to inform. If you learn to write to convert, you become an overnight asset. A single high-level client can pay you more than a standard salary ever could. Next, I dive into AI and automation. Stop looking at AI as a toy to write poems and start looking at it as a force multiplier. Businesses aren't looking for workers, they're looking for results that are faster and cheaper. If you can show a company how to automate their boring tasks or use AI to 10 times their output, you become indispensable. You don't need to be a programmer, you just need to be the person who knows how to point the tool at the problem. The third skill is modern storytelling. Attention is the new gold mine. If you can keep a human being focused on a screen for more than 60 seconds, you have a superpower. You don't need a million followers, you just need a small, loyal tribe that trusts your voice. If I started today, I'd stop worrying about being perfect and start focusing on being clear. Clear messaging beats high production value every single day. Then, there is high-ticket closing. The math is simple, it is much easier to find 3 people to pay you $3,000 than it is to find 9,000 people to pay you $1. There are thousands of businesses with amazing products who are terrified of the phone. If you can be the person who communicates clearly, handles objections with empathy, and builds genuine trust, you can command commissions that change your life in a single afternoon. Finally, the foundation of it all, ruthless problem solving. The market doesn't pay for your effort or your hard work. It pays for the size of the problem you solve. Stop asking how to make money and start asking what is broken in a business that you can fix. If you fix a $10,000 problem, you can easily ask for $2,000. Watching this is the easy part. Knowing these skills means nothing if you don't execute. Start messy. Start small. But for the love of everything, just start. A year from now, you can either be the person who wishes they started, or the person who is glad they did. Pick one skill. Just one. Commit to it for the next 30 days. No distractions. No excuses. The sooner you decide, the faster things change.